Hi everybody, this is our daily agenda for Wednesday, April 14th. Today is odds. So today we are wrapping everything up. We are putting everything together and we are putting our GATE Symposium Preserving Legacies together. So much like the last couple days, now that you guys have completed your interviews and everything's done, we're putting it onto a symposium template. It's located in Google Classroom, and I showed you right here, and it's going to also be due on Sunday. So let me show you guys what that GATE Symposium is like. This is an example one that I did on myself. I interviewed a family member, and I was able to kind of just walk through some of what you guys did. I only did 5 questions. You guys, of course, needed a total of 10. I included my interview recording right here. You can actually listen to a little bit of it. I just did a sample one for you guys to see. I included some pictures of my interviewee. This is the biography of the person that I interviewed. I was going to include the pictures here, but it kind of was a little bit slow, so I didn't. And then here I included as my reflection, you can click this video and it'll take you to a Flipgrid. So if some of you guys did Flipgrid, or I also did a YouTube video, so you can push play here and you can listen to it as well. So I did a little bit of both, so you guys could have that. And let me show you guys really quick where that's located. Again, it's going to be located here under Semester 2 GATE Showcase. You click Open GATE Symposium. And for you guys, this template is going to be blank. So you guys are going to fill them in. You can use mine as kind of a reference point as to what it will look like once you put it all together. As always, you guys, if you have any questions or need any more information, please let me know and I'll help you guys out. Other than that, I will see you guys in class.